In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete an invoice in Xero. Whether you created an invoice by mistake or just need to clean up your records, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the dashboard, head over to the top menu and click the sales and then scroll down until you find the invoices. Now you'll see a list of all your invoices. You can use the search bar or filters to locate the specific invoice you want to delete. In my case, I am choosing this invoice. Click that to open it. Before deleting, it's important to know this. You can only delete invoices that are in draft or awaiting approval status, because if your invoice is already approved or paid, you won't be able to delete it. Okay, you'll need to void it instead. Since we have this invoice right now in delete, all I have to do is click the three dots icon on the top corner. Click the delete button. And all I have to do is confirm the action. And that's it. The invoice is now permanently removed. Remember, deleting invoices completely removes them from your records, so double check before confirming. But basically, that's it for today's video on how to delete an invoice in Xero. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.